Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We're taking a look at this Christian Dior model, Homme Blacktie268S in color code 80690. The color of this frame is Havana silver. The style of this frame is fashion square. On the temples here we have a silver detailing, as well as on the temple tip, and a Christian Dior logo in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same, with a Christian Dior logo and the silver detailing. The color of these lenses are a gray. This frame also comes with a Dior gift box. And inside the gift box, there's a black Dior case. It comes with a Dior microfiber cleaning cloth in black color and a pouch to put your glasses in with the Dior logo on it.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.